Isn't it amazing?
That's giggle good. We're back. We're here. It's us. Welcome back to Plant Lana. 1, 2, 3. What's up, everybody? How you doing? How's your Thursday? Hello.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. We are here with a follow-up video of our last week's 3-month diet challenge. We are doing a what I eat in a day to lose weight fast series.
Yes.
Vegan version, obviously, that will extend past 3 months, but we will give all of our
Feedback for 3 months.
and stats and weight loss and all that at the end of the 3 months. So right now we'll start off with what we currently weigh.
Yes, I was 251 and I'm 247, which means I'm 4 pounds down in 1 week, and I'm so excited.
And I was 125, and today I am 121.6.
I'm literally twice as heavy as you are.
Yeah.
More. That's insane.
As you saw last week, these are meal plans for the week. So today there's going to be 3 meals. Again, we are intermittent fasting. We're eating from 12 to 8 p.m. Are you good?
Yeah, just like look at these things. There's a butterfly, but like look at our beautiful backyard here. We love it. So much greenery.
But anyways, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the first recipe.
I'm so excited with this one.
It is going to be a smoothie, because that's how we want to start off every single one of our meals. Last week it was a chocolate milkshake. This week it is a green smoothie.
Green smoothie.
Let's quickly show you how it's done.
Mine.
We've got our green juices.
Let's go. I love the banana and the apple in there. Like, it's so good.
Yeah, so this is about 4 cups of spinach. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. Like, there's 4 cups of spinach in this and 4 cups of spinach in that. There's also lemon, apple, banana, and almond milk. And it is so good. You don't even taste the spinach, which is insane because it's mostly spinach.
Yeah, but it's delicious.
Yeah, we're gonna get into the...
Reese! The straw is a limiting factor. I win.
Oh, I don't drink that much.
Look, no kidding. This is actually amazing. Like, legitimately amazing. Look at it, it's gone. I love it.
This is my favorite. I think of all the smoothies, this is my favorite one. Like, the chocolate one is sweet and delicious, and it's like chocolate milk. And like, we've made strawberry ones before and whatever other fruit smoothies. But the green smoothie is my favorite because it's refreshing and it feels super healthy, but it doesn't taste super healthy. Like, it tastes delicious, but like, you know it's healthy. That's my favorite. That's my, I love it.
Still not done? Any day now. Alright, while she's finishing this,
I did a pretty good job.
actually, that's actually the fastest I've ever seen you drink in my life.
I know, I'm not a fast drinker.
Wow. Still some in there though.
I know.
Anyway, let's go to the next recipe. Anyways.
But we'll see you back here for lunch.
Oh, I'm so excited for lunch. Oh, get out of here.
never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
Wow. Slid in sideways. Alright, look at this. Look. What? Look at this. Okay, first of all, you got this amazing baked tofu. Baked, not deep fried. Then you have a burp. And then you have then you have this amazing parsley quinoa.
Yeah, it's a garlic parsley quinoa.
Parsley quinoa, another burp. And then you have and then you have this amazing Persian salad. It's called Salad Shirazi. It's so good. And then you have this tahini, garlic, lime, something or another dressing on it. Ooh! I've been waiting all day for this. Mm.
Isn't it amazing?
That's giggle good.
You have a diabolical laugh.
That's my new standard of amazing food, is giggle good.
Are you good?
It's so good. It's amazing. I can't get over it. Amazing. Look at this. Why don't you see this one?
Yeah,
Look at
this one's for the tofu.
I don't know, it's hard to tell, but like it looks like it's been deep fried, and it's so so delicious.
Like, I kind of, for some reason, think KFC. I don't know why.
Whoa, yeah.
Right?
Like,
I haven't had KFC in like 10 years, but this reminds me of it.
yeah, it's like a crispy chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even think of that. That's
And
so good.
This whole dish right now is oil-free. I didn't add oil to the salad. I didn't add oil to the tofu. It's so good.
Please, if you try any of these dishes, try all of them, but try this one particularly. Like, this is one of my favorite meals of all time. It's that good.
It's literally delicious.
Out of this world. Unreal. Really unreal.
It's really unreal.
Truly unreal. I probably shouldn't, but I might have just a little bit more. It's so good.
We're gonna finish this and then we'll see you back here for dinner.
Yeah. Bye! Get out of here.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep
Alright, we are back for dinner.
What is this, like Asian vegetable stir fry?
Kind of like a zoodle stir fry.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I am so excited for this. Oh, it smells amazing.
Right?
No, that's great. So delicious. Look, I am not one who likes mushrooms.
He doesn't.
Like, I really don't like, it's the texture of mushrooms, not the taste. But for this, I'm okay with it, honestly. It works, and I'm happy. This is amazing.
I know.
This is really surprisingly really good.
I told you.
I was nervous about this dish. I'll be straight up with you. I was nervous about this because I don't like zoodles and I don't like mushrooms. But this is awesome. You did a really good job.
It's so good.
Yeah. Wow. I'm blown. I'm honestly blown away. Seriously. I dislike zoodles and I dislike mushrooms. Like, I don't ever eat them. I was nervous about this meal plan. And this is amazing. Legitimately, you surprised me. Like, I can't believe this.
Yeah.
Look at that. I was pushing for rice noodles for myself because I was like, you know how I hate zoodles. I don't want to eat zoodles. I didn't really want the mushrooms either, but she convinced me just because we're trying to do this, you know, diet. We're trying to eat a lot healthier. I was very, very apprehensive about it. There's a burp. There's another one. But it's so good. Shockingly good. I can't stop burping. It's so good. Wow.
We're gonna finish this off and then we'll see you right when we're done.
Hold on. I just had a taste of like the liquid underneath. There's so much flavor in here.
Yeah.
What is this world? What is this world of things that I didn't used to eat? Alright. Signing off. Bye.
Well, we'll be back.
Oh yeah, whatever. No.
Alright.
Done.
So here's the chronometer. As you can see, we've hit all of our targets. We are a little lower in vitamin E, but I'll see how I can get that into our diet for next week. Are you good?
No, I'm good. I'm getting good. You're gonna cover my face this time, right?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Oh, jeez.
But yeah, brings us to around 1,400 calories. Again, this is my quantity. He's eating more than I am, so he'll be eating around 2,000 calories. We'll check in next week with another 3 recipes and hopefully a little bit of weight loss.
Coming close. Closer. Closer. Okay, now it's my channel. Alright, listen guys. We're gonna be doing things a little bit differently on this channel from now on. So, this food thing was fun, but starting next week, this will be a League of Legends channel. So, if that's what you're into...
No.
If that's the kind of thing you're into, please subscribe and write your favorite champion and your position down below. I'm a TF mid main.
If you don't know what that is, please subscribe and we'll be best friends. So we will see you next week for another lovely video.
Alright, bye-bye. Bye. Oh, there's birds. Bye. Can you see my brain?